Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. This is mid-August 2019 and as you can see I'm sitting in front of my camper. I'm off location doing a little bit of camping, a little bit of fishing and a whole lot of working. Where I'm camping out is half the distance between where I work at and where I live, so it's closer for me to go to work from where I am now. But anyway, this video is about my garden. Now, I'm going to show this. It's not going to be pretty, and my wife even asked me, says, "Why are you showing this?" Well, okay, let's think about this just a minute. My garden is a test. It's more of a test for me, and what actually happens in a garden. I mean, you see all these gardens that are picture perfect. There's not a weed, there's not a sprig of grass, there's not anything out of place. Everything's pretty. Well, okay, that looks good. It really does, and I am tickled to death that people can make that happen. But the average normal person like myself that has to work away from home to try to make a living and work the hours that I'm working, something has to be given up. Now, my garden, I love it. I absolutely love it. But let's face it, gardening don't pay the bills. So therefore, I'm working 50, 60 hours a week, and something had to be cut, which was my gardening time. Now, this video is not going to be pretty. It's going to show weeds and grass and everything else, but it's also going to show what works with neglect. Now, let's face it, in a perfect world, you want a garden that is as much as self-sustaining without your presence and continue on as anything, because when you're not there, you want it to survive even in the worst conditions, even with neglect like you're fixing to see with my garden. There's weeds, there's grass, there's morning glories, there's everything that's overwhelmed it. But I've also got some things that actually worked. So anyway, sit back and hope you enjoy this video. Give me feedback, thumbs up, thumbs down. Hope you like it. But this is reality. This is practical. This is the average working man's garden. It's not perfect. There's a lot of people that does a whole lot better job than I do, and I am so thankful for that. But anyway, this is my version of my garden with my context that I'm currently in. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay folks, this is mid-August 2019. We're going to take a little tour of the garden. Gotta warn you, it ain't pretty. But I've been working a lot of hours and even trying to take and devote my energy to work, so you can see what's not happened. Here's my bucket garden. Kind of grew up a little bit. No, a whole lot. I will say, however, for it to have a lot of neglect, still done pretty good. I've got peppers. Peppers done pretty good. The herb garden done pretty good. My sunflowers done pretty good. cherry tomatoes done good. This is the second cropping of beans. I don't know if I'm going to have any. I've got some corn, looks like maybe. Plenty of grass, plenty of weeds. Cherry tomatoes. Let me see here. Okay, so I can get you turned around here. Good. Good. Here's where my garlic was. Weeds, grass, weeds, grass. My okra didn't do good. Marigolds, asparagus didn't do good, but we got a vole and a mold problem, so that didn't help none. Come on through here. I've got a lot of work to do. A lot of work. A lot of work. But I want to show you something. You see this bare spot right here that doesn't have any grass or weeds in it? I tarped that. I put a tarp. Now there's a few like Morning Glory right there. But for the most part it looks good. Put a tarp over it. And it worked. Had some peas planted here, didn't do good. My porch is growed up. I've got some corn. This is the tarp I had on that. I've got that laying there trying to kill some grass around my stove, but I need to pick it up. My compost needs some work. My watermelons didn't do any good this time. Comfort plant, however, did. Thank you, Pat. Peppers did fantastic with little or no extra. Walk on around here. Gotta taste one of these grapes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Growed up. Growed up. Everything's basically growing up on me. But it's what happens when you don't put no time and effort into it. And I've been working 10, 12 hours a day, 6 and 7 days a week. And it's what happens. I am not happy about it. I am happy, however, that I've got a decent job, that I can make some money, try to get out of debt, which will be a while. But anyway, I'm working long hours. But I'm not happy with my garden. I'm not. I'm not. None at all. My greenhouse, it's a storage building right now. Anyway, This is just a sneak preview. I have more on this subject later.